Hello everybody, my name is Jennifer Thompson. I have the English language learner strategy called the GIST. What is the GIST, you ask? It is a great English language learner strategy because it helps the English language learners feel calm and confident that they can answer what the teacher has asked of them, regardless if they answer in their own language or in English. I have the GIST, and it is for science and English language learners, or known as ELLs. I found the GIST strategy and its information on the website All About Adolescence Literacy. It is a great website and also includes lesson plans and coordinating information. The GIST has a fairly simple and straight to the point list of rules. For science, I chose the GIST that follows 4 steps. The first step is to preview the new reading material and always make sure it is on the ELL student's independent reading level. The second step is the teacher activates and helps ELL students apply prior knowledge, make predictions, and create questions that will be answered later. The third step is that while reading, ELL students make notes of important information and create smaller chunks of key notes. The fourth and final step is when finished reading, the teacher prompts students to identify the overall gist or most important person, place, or thing in the reading. For the GIST strategy, the strengths are that it is an effective tool to help ELL students identify a passage's main idea, key details, and important information. It allows ELL students to break down large portions of information and create chunks of relevant or needed information. And it also enables ELL students to quickly understand the main idea of a reading passage or get the gist of it. I have science. To use the GIST in science, I chose a 4th grade lesson plan. On the left is the lesson plan, and it is over respiratory system for breathing in and out. It can be quite complex for a average or gen ed student, let alone an ELL student. And on the right, I filled out an example from a Spanish-speaking student. Now remember, all ELL students are not always on the same level. As I mentioned before, a strength for the GIST strategy is that for ELL students, it does not always have to be filled out completely in English. It helps relieve or eliminate the stress on non-native English speakers that they feel when they think the teacher is expecting everything to be perfectly written and spelled and punctuation all done in English. The what is respiratory system, when is all the time, where is en nuestros lungs, which is part English and part Spanish. How is respirando aire dentro y fuera. So as you can tell, not all of it is Spanish and not all of it is English. But it allows the teacher to know and realize or understand what level of comprehension the ELL learner has, and if further instruction is needed or if they can move on to the next lesson. The GIST is a great strategy because it is simple to the point and flexible according to the student's needs and academic level. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a great summer.